Evening, folks. Jeff from RV Diagnostics. Um, August the 19th, Tuesday, I think, or something like that, 2025. Well, a lot of you out there, you watched over, I got like 800 plus videos. You watched over me doing roofs and leak testing and talking about delamination. And, well, I hate to say, I let one of my RVs go. Man, the roof is peeling. My God, I got to put that on, and then I got delamination over on one side, and looks like the wheels are swelling, and it's just looking bad, folks. That's a shame of me being Jeff from RV Diagnostics, letting y'all down. Here, I'm going to show it to you here. I'm ashamed of this. There it is. Yep, see, I told you it needs a little roof work. Look at that delamination. Oh my God, look at that. That's the storage door. It even got hinges on it, rusted bad. Look at them tires, man. Just sidewalls coming out. Look at that. I gotta fix that thing, man. This is a birdhouse that hangs out there. Yeah, I gotta fix it because it's my wife's. All right, the farce is on you. The joke. I'm just kind of having fun with you, but I do gotta fix that thing. Thank you for putting up with it. Jeff from RV Diagnostics. Just a little joke to have a little fun with you. All right, thank you. Test not guess is the motto.